Previously we talked about individual observations. Now if my case is group frequency distribution, or suppose I have group frequency distribution, and if we want to find median from the cumulative frequency distribution of variable under consideration, then the formula is median equals to L1 plus n by 2 minus NL upon Nu minus NL multiplied by C. So this formula is very important whenever you are finding median for grouped frequency distribution. Now what all these are? So L1 is lower class boundary of median class. What the L1 is? L1 is lower class boundary of the median class, that is the class containing median. That is the class containing median. Now how do we find this lower class boundary, or how do we find this median class? That we will see in next slide or next problem. This capital N is nothing but total frequency. Total frequency means summation of Fi. So capital N equals to total frequency. Now what this NL is? NL is less than cumulative frequency corresponding to L1. Okay, so L1 is what? L1 is your median class, right? Or median class limit, lower limit. So what I want is this NL is nothing but less than cumulative frequency corresponding to L1. Okay, so less than cumulative frequency corresponding to L1 means pre-median class. Suppose I have median class as let us call, suppose it is denoted by star. So the previous class is the pre-median class. Okay, the previous class of star is called was pre-median class, means it's just before to our median class. What is Nu is? Nu is less than cumulative frequency corresponding to L2. Okay, so what it is? Nothing but post median class. Whenever we will solve problems based on this, we can understand what this pre-median class and post median class. What the L2 is? L2 being the upper class boundary of median class. What L2 is? So L1 is lower class limit or lower class boundary of median class. Lower limit is given, upper limit is given, right? So for group frequency distribution, my median is nothing but L1 plus n by 2 minus n1 upon Nu minus NL multiplied by C. Here I told you this L1 is lower class boundary for median class. One more thing I want to tell you. How do we find median class? So median class is nothing but, you have that N, capital N, which is nothing but what? Suffice. So you just divide that N by 2, you will get the number. Okay, so find out a class whose cumulative frequency is more than that particular value. That will be your median class. Okay, so if you got that median class, so you can find the limits corresponding to that median class. So L1 is its lower limit, L2 will be its upper limit, N by 2 you already know. What is N1? It is the previous cumulative frequency, okay, of median class. क्लास जो है वो क्या होगा? प्री मीडियन क्लास. एंड द L2 is what? Frequency for cumulative frequency for post median class, right? And C is nothing but your class width. So you will get all these values, put the